Hello, today we will do some 3D modeling in Solidworks. First of all, here is the drawing of part that we will model. Open Sketch in right panel. Then choose Circle. Draw a circle from center point and type in 57,5 mm. Then draw another circle from same point and type in 47,5 mm and select option for construction. Press Shift+8 to go to normal view mode. Select circle option and make one on the right edge of the smaller circle with dimension of 5 mm. Then choose option circular sketch pattern from drop-down menu. Select the center point if needed, and put the number of circles, in this case 4. Exit sketch and select extrude boss option and type in 5 mm, and press enter. Open Sketch in front panel, and select center line. Make line from center point to the right side as I do. To make arc, you need to go to end point of the last line, and then software will enable arc option. Use Smart Dimension tool, and click center point, and upper point of the arc. Type in dimensions. Use Smart Dimension tool for all dimensions. Exit sketch. Make new sketch in right panel. Make circle and type in 25 mm. Exit sketch. Select line, and uncheck option for construction. Select sketch with circle, and add one smaller in the center with those dimensions. Click option sweep boss. First select blue box and select circle. Then select purple box and select line. Now make hole using circle option. Select top plane, select reference geometry and select plane. Type 28,75 mm. Select circle option and follow me. Insert dimensions. Right click and quick snaps and tangent snap. This will make line tangential with circles. Now we will use mirror option for the first time. Just select what you want to mirror and then select center line. Now we use trim for the first time. Basically drag mouse above lines that you don't need. finish up the sketch. Extrude, using opposite options for 5 mm. Now select bottom face and open sketch. Make circle and type in 20 mm. Extrude with option, up to next. Make one more circle, but this time use extrude cut, of course use option up to next.
Now you can follow my steps. Select rectangle option and select second option for center rectangle. Use fillet option and type desired radius. If this window pop up, just press OK. Continue with drawing. We are now making one big circle in the middle, for big hole, and 4 smaller for smaller one. Select extrude and type 5 mm. Now we will make reference plane using right plane. Now, as you learned, follow my steps to make sketch. Extruding using to the next option. Now we will met with convert entities. This tool basically make desired sketch on the plane that you select previously. You need to open sketch on that plane to use this option. Extrude cut to next and complete the exercise. Exercise is over. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. The sketch is below in the description. Like, share and subscribe.